Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and today we're reviewing the brand new 2023 BMW 760. Special thanks, it's another press car, special thanks to BMW North America for allowing me to have access to this car to make a video. Thank them in the comments below. Alright, so first thing you see on this car is the two-tone paint, right? This is a $12,000 option. The top of the car is black sapphire, while the bottom of the car is adventuring red metallic. We're going to go over this exterior, the interior, and then take it for a drive. Now this is a big car. It is 212 inches long. In retrospect, my Panamera Turbo is 198 inches long, so it's about 14 inches longer than that, and about 2 feet longer than my BMW M 340i xDrive. This is xDrive as well. It is an all-wheel drive car. It's got a lot of options on this car. Base price on this car is $113,000 with destination of $995, and just about every option box ticked, it comes in $162,000. Now we can just press the button there to open the doors, and that reveals the cheapest option in this whole car, the $1,000 smoke white merino leather interior. Well worth it. You can see some carbon fiber dash there, but the real party trick of this car is all the options in the back seat, including essentially a theater. Now, if we go around to the front of the car, I want to show you what you get with the executive package. You actually get crystal headlights. Also, you get with it front massaging seats and the automatic doors for $3,700. Beautiful. Looks menacing with these big grills. This car does well with the big grills. I really like it. All right, so I'm all about the engine. What kind of engine do we have here? We have a turbocharged 4.4 liter V8 producing 569 horsepower. And now let's review the rest of the car. All right, so now I have my GoPro helmet on. We're going to start the car up. Very subdued. Remember, this is a luxury car. This you're buying instead of, say, a Rolls Royce. You got pretty good, I was trying this before, you got pretty good massages here for the front and the passenger. Now, you could use a lot of different features here where you could talk to the car. We're going to get a back seat in a minute. This has entertainment. You got a sticker here of $162,000. Base price is $113,600, so you got a lot of options here. You got the Autobahn package, which gives you roll stabilization, driver's assistance package, individual composition, the headliner here, $5,400, luxury seating, $3,000, executive package, $3,700, rear executive lounge seating, which we're trying a second, $7,200 option. The two-tone paint, $12,000, and that gives us down to about $162,000. So again, it's a 2023, so you have the same instrumentation essentially as the BMW M2. Now I can talk to the car here and make it do things. So what I'm going to do is ask it to open the passenger door. Now the seating adjustments have been moved here, kind of like Mercedes. All right, let's try this. Open driver's door. There we go. Is that creepy or what? Now you could press the button there to open it, or you could, close it a normal way, but let's have them close it. Close driver's door. There we go. Watch your hands. Now this has the Bowers and Wilkins, so this sound system sounds phenomenal. We're going to hop into the back seat, and I'll show you something there with the theater. So we can, if we want to open it the normal way, we just press the button here. All right. Now to get in the car, again, I could do it the normal way or just press the button. So I think that's a little cooler. All right, so now we're going to sit in the back here. You can watch YouTube videos. This can kind of become your own kind of Wi-Fi hotspot here. So what we're going to do is, I believe we have your own climate control, which is digital, if you can see this here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to swipe up, and we're going to do, was it display? I'm going to do display, and we're going to have the theater fold down. So watch, we got our own TV screen here. Is this amazing? I think it's like a 30-inch screen or something like this. And now this is home theater. We can watch Glenn's Car Collection YouTube videos or anybody you want up here. Go to, I think I'm offline. I'd have to connect it with my phone. But essentially, you can use a Fire Stick, anything you have here to set it up through your phone, watch your own videos, Netflix, YouTube. How great is that? Now what you could also do, let's say we fold it back up, thank you screen. The leg room here is unbelievable. I'm 6 feet tall. I'm sitting behind myself. I could probably be 7'8" back here. That's how much room that there is. We'll go to home, and now we'll play around with the seats. So seats, you got different seating positions here. We got massage seats in the back here. That's pretty cool. Let's do is it on? We'll do the pressure points. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. And then we can have this whole thing fold out here. So we can adjust this where it gives us, it'll slide forward. It'll push the seats forward. So if you need to do stuff in the back seat, you can push those front seats forward. They'll actually fold forward. And then you can lay down, watch a movie. And you even have support here for your legs that'll come up and even raise like your legs, your ankles, all that stuff. And pretty impressive for sure. Then you can play around with the blinds because you can open and close all the blinds. You can open them all, close them all up, and then there's seat climate control. You can make it a heated seat back here, a cooled seat. You can adjust them. You can do seating positions up. And it's really cool back here. It's unbelievable. Imagine watching a movie back here. And then you even have this carbon fiber headrest in front of you. Amazing. Plenty of storage back here. You have a rear shade if you want it down, so you can't see anything in the back. Actually, what we should do here is probably get that off because then I can't see on the black. So I'm going to open all the blinds. And now you get rid of the peasant blockers and the back shade there and actually open the window. All right, and now you got this cool double sunroof that lets a ton of light on here. Up, it closes for me automatically. That's insane. It's a good place to like, share, subscribe. The more subscribers we get, it's easy to do. It's free. Hit the notification bell, like and comment every video. That's free. The more subscribers I get, the more press cars I'll get from BMW. All right, so now we're going to come into the tighter stuff, going downhill no less. Got a nice heads-up display in front of me. I don't know that that's going to come on camera. Up, it looks like we're going to hit some traffic here. The massage seats do a pretty good job. And of course you can make it a heated or cooled. Now you can get these cars with an active anti-body roll. Now there is understeer in those tighter turns. But overall, a great daily driver. You're a CEO, CFO, and executive. You want to be chauffeured to work. This is for you. Here we're going to come up with tighter and tighter turns until we get all the way back. Some of these turns are going to be off camber, as our Subaru driver is struggling through them and staying over the line. Very soft ride. Very comfortable. It's like being a boat. All right, so this is the end. We're handing this back to BMW. Thank you so much to BMW corporate for believing in me and giving me this car for 30 minutes. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.